In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bridge out of HyperEVM back to Ethereum. So you've been trading on HyperEVM and you want to trade that hype back over to your Ethereum wallet. So what you need to do is you need to go over to your hyperliquid. The fastest way to do this would be to use something like Rocket Exchange. So we can come on over to Rocket Exchange, select hyperliquid and hype token, and select Ethereum, and then type in the amount of hype we'd like to sell, and then click cross-chain swap. Then once this is done, you would have essentially sold your hype for Ethereum. Or we can use hyperliquid and withdraw our USDC back on Arbitrum. Click on your portfolio and go down to hype and click transfer to/from EVM. So your hype should currently be on the EVM and you want to transfer that over to spot. So simply click the arrow and then hit max and confirm. Once you've done that, that will convert over to your hype spot balance, which means the hype is now on hyperliquid exchange rather than on HyperEVM. Now what you can do is you can go over to trade and you can sell. Now what you can do is you can go over to trade, head over to spot and hype USDC. You can now sell some of that hype. You can now sell that hype. And you will then have USDC spot. Once you have that, you'll then want to transfer that over to your perps wallet. Just hit max and confirm. And now that'll be in your perps wallet. So from here, we can actually withdraw this. So we can either click withdraw here, or we can head over to portfolio, go over to our balances and hit withdraw up here. Select max and this will withdraw it to Arbitrum. So once you click this, you will have USDC on Arbitrum, which you will then need to bridge over. And again, we can do that on Rocket Exchange if we like, or we can use something like dbridge. Just select USDC on Arbitrum and then select Ethereum. Confirm trade and then you will have Ethereum in your wallet. So that is a tutorial on how to bridge out or back from HyperEVM back to Ethereum. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions or any other videos you'd like me to make, and subscribe if you'd like to see more crypto content like this.